Good evening students, welcome back in our art session. In previous period or session we had completed our first topic, that was nameplate. Okay, now here we'll start second topic. Before start second topic, if see the index page, here you will write your name with your pen. Then first topic which we had completed, then here you will write second topic date, and then topic name. Okay, then we are here on our main page. Main page means right side of our drawing book. Okay, always you will start new topic right side here. Okay, and up side you will write your topic name. Topic is object drawing. Okay, object means what? Object means things. Which things we are getting surrounding, means it will be a man-made or it will be a natural. Means like a mug, jug, bucket, compost box, book, pencil, or fruits, vegetable, flowers. Many things are there. Okay, so when we will start object drawing, always we have to draw suitable to our drawing paper. Okay students, and then we'll show their shades with color, with pencil, and when we are showing their shades, that time it's getting like a two-dimensional or three-dimensional. Two-dimensional means we are getting flat, and three-dimensional like a 3D. Okay, means this is our flat surface. Okay, when you are drawing any picture on flat surface, so that is two-dimensional. But when you are giving the shades, so it looks like a three-dimensional, 3D. I'll show you one example. Suppose this is one object. Okay, this object we can handle easily, we can move. But whatever pictures we will draw on our paper, that we can't move, we can't handle it. But when we will use their shading, you can show it's look like a real. Okay, so that we'll learn how to show it. Okay, before that, see here, light is very important part in that. If light is coming from this side, can you see here light shade? This is the yellow color object. If you'll see light getting here inside, light tone, and here this side getting shade. So this way we are getting here neatly nice roundity. Okay, so this roundity we'll learn in object drawing with shading. Okay, that I'll show you step by step. First we'll learn how to draw object. Okay students, so let's start. Here first we'll see box. Okay, first we'll draw there 3 lines. One small, little bit down, big, again small line. Okay, and if you see students, I'm not using any type of a geometrical instrument like a scale or any compass. Okay, freely you have to draw it, and then you will draw. Okay, so here one small line, one big line, again one small line. Now we'll join them. Okay, now here now this line we want here again, so we'll draw here parallel line, this here, and this line from here. Okay, so what we are getting there one box. Okay, and then So here, can you see? Have you seen the shoe box? It's getting like that. Okay. Yes. Here, first, second line. Here also first and second line. Now if you see here, I have not drawn their equal distance here and there. Here, this is the front side. That's why here getting big part, and here getting little bit small. Okay, that's why we can show their depth. Okay, here. Now we'll see here one important object, which is very important, means in 7th, 8th also you have to learn that. Okay, so this is the basic. What here again, I'll come on this object only. If we'll see the object, if we'll see from up, here we are getting circle. Okay, here also circle, down inside, and here downside, here also getting circle. Okay, so now we'll see bucket. Okay, but if we'll see from one side, so here getting oval shape, this is also oval, and this down also getting oval shape. So what we know, that is important, but what we are seeing there, that is also more important. Okay, so here first oval, second and third oval, 3 oval shapes we'll draw here. Okay students, so draw very lightly, draw one line. Okay, then see, I am not showing point because circle, if you see the circle, we are not getting any cone, right? Angle, sorry. Okay, so here this is first oval, then okay, here if you'll see this distance is same, but here we have to show more distance, because then only we can show their 3-dimensional. Okay, so first strip is ready. Now for second strip, we'll leave here some space both the side, and see, always draw light lines. Here I am drawing little bit dark because I want to show you when you will start, draw light picture. Okay, so afterwards extra line you can rub easily. Now here again we'll draw one horizontal line. Okay, again same oval shape, see student, if we'll draw any object, always draw their complete shape. Afterwards we can rub, but if we'll use shortcut, so you will get somewhere, you will get up and down lines. So always draw complete lines. Here also this line will rub afterwards, but now we want. Okay, so first strip, second part, and this is the third part. So this line okay, suppose if we'll complete till here, so this is dustbin. We'll draw one handle, so we'll get their bucket. Okay student, now we'll see next object, glass. Same way up side we are getting circle, down also circle if you see from top. But if you see from front side, one side, so we'll get there oval shape. Okay. Again straight line, this you will complete oval shape, so you are getting the perfect shape. Okay, now I'll show you which are the extra lines. In bucket, this middle line and these are the extra lines. Okay, but you will rub it afterwards. Now see here, now a glass box bucket, 3 objects are ready. Here we'll draw book shape. Book is similar to this drawing. Okay. Small line. See, now box we shown that time we used their big lines. Now we are showing book. So if you'll see book getting little bit thick or thin, right? So here small line, here big, and here again small line. Now we'll join them. Here also. Okay. Now this line we'll draw here parallel, and for this line we'll draw here parallel line. Okay. Now here one side we'll give curve shape. Here also you can give curve shape both the side, and whatever extra part we are getting we'll rub it. Okay students, so here our book picture is ready. Now I'll show object, next object. See what I did? I drawn here another object, that is fruit. But for the fruit also I drawn their basic shape. Always go with basic shape, so you'll get the perfect drawing. Okay, and afterwards rub extra lines. Okay, then because of this oval shape we'll get the proper way to draw this flower petals, or proper shape you can say. And then student, here our objects are ready. Okay, now in next period we'll see how to show the shading or how to make them three-dimensional. If you have your elementary intermediate book, that pink color cover, okay, so cover book, so there you will get many objects. Okay, so there, if you want to practice more object, you can draw from that book, so you'll get more ideas how to show drawing and how to show their shading. But here till this you have to stop, and next session we'll learn how to show their shading. Okay student, thank you, take care.